Yes, good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the neutralization. In this chapter, already I have discussed about the acids, types of acids, indicators, types of indicators, bases, types of bases, weak bases, strong bases, different things. There are 4 types of indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicators. In this time we will discuss about the neutralization. What is a neutralization? About the neutralization you should know, when an acid is mixed with the bases, when an acid is mixed with base, they neutralize or cancel the effect of each other. As all of you know, acids having salt taste, bases have a bitter taste and soapy touch. Similarly, acids convert litmus red into blue, base convert blue into red. So, when about the neutralization, when acids is mixed to each base, means when acids react with base, then acids and base both are neutralized to each other or effect of each other. Or you can say, definition of neutralization: the reaction in which an acid, the reaction in which an acid, the reaction in which an acid reacts with base, and formed salt and water is called neutralization. So, means this is the definition of neutralization. In formula, you can represent it: acid plus base. When acid reacts with base, then it will become salt and water. And second things, always when acid reacts with base, then in this reaction, during the reaction process, always heat will be evolved, means heat will be produced. Here some heat always produced. So some heat is always evolved with or during the neutralization reaction. This reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. So, for example, I will give you one example: sodium hydroxide, NaOH, this is base. Hydrochloric acid react with each other, then it will become NaCl plus H2O. Sodium hydroxide, chemical formula of sodium hydroxide, it is base. Sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride, water. So these are the neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide bases react with acid, hydrochloric acid, then it will become sodium chloride and water. So next I will give you one example. Neutralization in everyday life. There are many things from morning to evening. During the eating process, we will use neutralization. Like our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. In our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, and this hydrochloric acid helps in digesting our food without harming. So the stomach, but sometimes excess of hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach due to the various reason or overeating. Means sometimes suppose you will take overeating or various reasons, different reasons, you will take hurry up for food, then it will be produce extra hydrochloric acid, then it will become start paining in the stomach. So the causes of indigestion which produces pain and headaches, so are irritation in the stomach. So in order to cure indigestion and get rid of pain or irritation, we can take base, and it is called antacids. Means someone doctors prescribes antacids during the starting pain in the stomach or irritation due to the overeating or different various reasons. So it is called neutralization. Means antacid is known as the neutralization. Our second examples are a common antacid used for curing indigestion due to the acidity is milk of magnesia. So ants stings. Second example I will give you, ants stings. Ants stings having formic acid, and if an ant stings a person, then rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution on the stung area of the skin give relief. This is because baking soda is a base. Means ant stings having formic acid, after the stings that place starting paining, then baking soda will be rubbed in that place, then it will be feel relief because baking soda is a base. And ant stings having acids and bases react to each other, it will become neutralized. So these are the neutralizations and example of the neutralizations and what is the neutralization. After this I will be discuss about the salt. Okay. So salt, what is a salt? A salt is a substance formed by the reaction of an acid with base. What is a salt? Salt is a formed by base. Salt is a substance which is formed of by the reaction of an acid and base. So the name and formula of the salt, some of the base and acids and salts formed from them. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Hydrochloric acid HCl react to each other and form what? Sodium chloride. Means NaOH react with hydrochloric acid, it will become salt NaCl. Sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid react to each other, form a NaCl. Similarly, when sodium hydroxide NaOH react with sulfuric acid H2SO4, it will become Na2SO4. Means Sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, it form sodium chloride salt. Same things, sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acids, it form Na2SO4, means sodium sulfate. This known as sodium sulfate. Sodium chloride. Next, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Potassium hydroxide react with nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3 is known as nitric acid. It will become potassium nitrate, KNO3. Means different bases react with different types of acids, make different types of salts. NaCl, Na2SO4 means sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, potassium nitrate. These are different types of salts. So sodium hydroxide, NaOH, NaOH react with carbonic acid, H2CO3. Then it will become sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Means all of you seen here different types of salts formed if different types of bases react with the different types of acids. So sodium chloride, it is also acid. Sodium sulfate, salt. Sodium chloride, salt. Potassium nitrate, salt. And sodium carbonate, also salt. Means which types of salt you want, that types of reactants you will be used. So these are the salts. But next, salts can be how many types of salts? Types of salts. Almost three types of salts: neutral salts, acidic salts, and basic salts. Neutral salts, acidic salts, basic salts. Those salts which form a neutral solution on dissolving in water are called neutral salts. For example, NaCl, sodium chloride, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. These are the example of the neutral salts. And acidic salts, those salts which form an acidic solution on dissolving in water. Means when any salts dissolve in water form a neutral solution is known as the neutral salt. When salts dissolve in water form the acidic solution known as the acidic salt. And when salts dissolve in water and make basic solution is known as the basic salts. So sodium acidic salts examples: NH4Cl, NH4Cl means ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, NH4, NH4 twice 2 SO4. So these are the example of the acidic salts. Basic salts those salts which form basic solution on dissolving in water is known as the basic salts. For example, Na2CO3. Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. So these are the salts: neutral salts, acidic salts, basic salts. Neutral salts give the neutral solution. Basic salts, acidic salts give the acidic solutions after dissolving the water, and basic salts give the basic solution after dissolving in the water. So these are the different types of salts and properties of salts. So after this chapter also has been completed. Okay, thank you.